Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install plugins in Flow Launcher step by step. Plugins let you add new features to Flow Launcher, making it even more powerful for searching files, running commands, performing calculations, and much more. So let's get started. First, open Flow Launcher on your Windows computer. You can launch it from the Start menu or by using its default keyboard shortcut. Once the launcher opens, access the Settings menu by clicking the Settings icon, then navigate to the Plugins section. Next, look for the Plugin Store or Plugin Manager, depending on the version of Flow Launcher you're using. Here, you'll find a collection of plugins that you can browse and install directly from within the application. Yeah, you can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find a specific plugin. When you find a plugin you'd like to use, click the Install button next to its name. Flow Launcher will automatically download and install the plugin for you. The process usually only takes a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. After the installation is complete, the plugin should be enabled automatically. If it isn't, simply turn it on from the Plugins section. Some plugins may also include additional settings that you can customize to match your preferences. Finally, return to the Flow Launcher search box and test the new plugin by using its keyword or supported feature. If everything is working correctly, you're all set and ready to enjoy the plugin's functionality, and that's it. You now know how to install plugins in Flow Launcher and expand its features for an even better productivity experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.